I'm Jasmine Acevedo with Johnsonville Charlotte Athletics, here with Sam Johnson, freshman defensive specialist. Sam, in that first game, did you guys learn anything from your opponent to make it a close second game, even though you guys didn't win, but it was very close, or closer than the first game? So did you guys learn anything?
Yes, we learned where to spot the ball and what to do different with placing it and adjusting to what they're picking up.
Yeah. What does Coach Phillips say to you guys in the locker room after a 3-0 loss?
She talks about her perspective of the games and what we can work on and how to fix it.
Yeah. Sam, I see that you're the smallest girl on the team, so do the girls ever joke with you, or do they have a nickname for you that they, may use in and out the game?
They have jokes, but I don't have a nickname, so. I'm always the shortest person, so.
Me too. I get the same problem everywhere I go, so now I understand. Now it's cool. Join Sam and the JWU women's volleyball team back here on Thursday at 7 p.m. against Meredith College. Go Wildcats!
Yay!